What we're seeing in the legal market is that since the SRA rules came in, since the Jackson reforms, what we're seeing is that lawyers have to be a lot more accountable. Plus, we're getting a numerous market opening up for smaller law firms, providing those services that would previously be done by the larger law organisations. So looking at the organisations that are leading the charge, what we're seeing is that they're taking the foundations provided by the changes in regulation, not only meeting those, but exceeding them. And the only way they can do that is by using automation and the services provided by T-Impact, which puts them ahead of their competition. So if you take Mogers Druitt as an example, that is not only file management and case management, but it's also regulatory compliance. All law firms since the Jackson reforms have had to become much more accountable, which requires them to know your customer, to do the anti-money laundering, meet GDPR capabilities and requirements. All of this is new, effectively, to these organisations. So automation helping that, either as an in-house centre of excellence or indeed as a more broader managed service, is something that T-Impact can provide. Or take an example like Ashton's, where it's data cleansing. The amount, what we're seeing actually is that there will be a huge amount of M&A activity in the law market, given the reforms that have taken place. And as a result of that, the Ashton's example is a perfect example of that, where you're getting dirty data from multiple different systems. Using a robot to clean that has saved them a huge amount of time and money. And it's ongoing. So you need to ensure that that data is consistent across all of your systems, across all of the time. That's why T-Impact is so far ahead in this particular market.